Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Emirates Platinum Card. So these are the steps that you can follow to apply for the Emirates Platinum Card. The first thing you'd like to do is to launch your browser and go to the official Emirates Skywards website at www.emirates.com/skywards. Now, in the top right corner of the page, just go follow the criteria or follow the on-screen prompt to create a new account or to log in using an existing account. So the next thing you want to do while logged in is to go to the Skyward section. We're going to head to the Skyward section, all right, which is this. That's the loyalty program. So about Emirates Skywards. So head over to the top menu, you see book, manage, experience, where fly, and loyalty. Now click on loyalty. Okay, so this page or this website is actually the Emirates.com website, but then there's another website for Skywards. So that's www.emirates.com/Skyward, but this is not it. All right, so once you use that website, just head over to the Skywards. So if you're using the normal Emirates at emirates.com, you're going to see loyalty. So click on loyalty. You have about Emirates Skywards, you have membership tiers, you have cash plus this, you have Skywards Miles, Skyward exclusive, digital membership card, claim miles, a partner, Skywards Plus, fly Dubai, buy miles, and miles calculator. So you want to get the platinum card, right? So now just head over to the digital membership card option, which is here, and click on it. So now it says quick access to your membership details, easy to download, and now it says more information. So as an Emirates Skywards member, you no longer need to have, all right, so simply quote your membership number to continue to end, and you can add a digital, print yourself, and that is that. So quick access, and now it says access your card. So you can click on that to see how you can download your card. So this is your Emirates Skywards card, and this is blue. Of course, this is not platinum card because this is just a blue member. Now go ahead and click on the save button here or to print. So let's see how we can get the platinum card, because this is apparently not the platinum card because I'm not an Emirates Platinum member. All right, so let's see how we can get the platinum card. Now, from this home page, the next thing you like to do is to head over to your profile, which is at the top right corner of the screen. Now, click on your profile and click on My Overview. Now, once you click on My Overview, it's going to take you to this next window. From this window, the next thing you like to do is to click on Emirates Skywards, which is at the top corner of the screen. Now, select Emirates Skywards. So right now, this is my Skywards profile, Emirates Skywards Blue, not Platinum. So it means for you to get the platinum card, you have to sign up for Emirates Skywards Platinum program. You have to upgrade to the Emirates Skywards Platinum tier. So this is blue, the blue tier, which is not, with this we cannot get the card. So just head over to Emirates Skywards and now click on membership tiers. Once you select membership tiers, it's going to take you to the window where you have all the membership tiers. So we're going to have to look for the Emirates Skywards Platinum. So this is Skywards Blue, which is where I'm in. So this is Skywards Silver and Skywards Gold and Skywards Platinum. So here, select See All Benefits. Just click on See All Benefits, then you see how you can follow through the prompts to upgrade. So this is all loading with all the benefits. So this is everything that you get for the platinum. So okay, so these are all the benefits for platinum, which we have in here in the platinum. Now for you to upgrade to platinum, you can just head over to help, which we have in here. So just go ahead and click on the help section, and in the help section here where you have help and contact, so just go ahead and click on help and contact, and here we have help and contact. Scroll down to live chat or general queries, for you to contact them, letting them know that you want to upgrade to the platinum tier. So click on start live chat and let them know that you want to upgrade. Now, once you're done upgrading, or after you follow through with the on-screen prompt to upgrade, you can now head back to this profile at the top right corner of the screen and go back to my overview. Now, once you go through the process, contact them, let them know they want to upgrade to platinum. And after that, you can now confirm from here, click your profile name in here. You confirm your membership tier to see if you have been upgraded to platinum. So instead of blue, you will see platinum. Then go ahead to my overview. And once you get to my overview, the next thing you need to do is to click on Emirates Skywards, which is at the top here. And once you click on Emirates Skywards, the next thing that you're going to click is the digital membership card. So this is opening up right away. So click on Emirates Skywards and click on digital membership card. I also click on digital membership card. I'm going to tell you what to do next. So right now we're just assuming that we have upgraded and we're in the platinum tier. So scroll down, and once you scroll down, you're going to have to click on this. So this page is still loading up. So access your card, and once you click on access your card, you will see your card where you can now save and download. So this page is loading up. So here, instead of blue, you're going to see platinum. Now click on save or click on print, and that's it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.